अरे भाई सारन, तू पुस्तक क्यों पढ़ रहा है? The only book that I've watched you reading is Facebook. अरे भाई बुढ़बा, this is a book gifted to me by my very good friend Adil Bandukwala, which is called Outbound Hiring: How Innovative Companies Are Winning the Global War for Talent, which is authored by Vijay Sharma, Kaushik Satish, and Adik Bandukwala. I really like the book, the concept of the book of outbound hiring. So I'm trying to learn. Outbound hiring माने को कॉल सेंटर वाला आउटबाउंड जैसा वैसा हायरिंग करते हैं क्या तुम लोग? No man, outbound hiring refers to a targeted and personalized way of hiring which eradicates the post and pray. Post and pray का जमाना गया भाई. वाह रे भाई, तुम लोग ये नए नए फंडे लेके आते हो. अब यार रिक्रूटर्स को क्या फर्क पड़ता है वेदर इट्स इनबाउंड और आउटबाउंड? एट द एंड ऑफ डे दे नीड टू हायर पीपल. ओके भाई, देख आज की दुनिया में पोस्ट एंड पे मेथड नहीं चलता. The most effective recruiters are the one who really know उनके candidates कहाँ पे है. How can they attract and engage those candidates which are their target communities? Build really a personal persona based approach and to really think like a marketer and not just recruiter of a process based. So that's what I'm learning out of this book. अच्छा, ये तो इंटरेस्टिंग है भैया. जरा बताओगे संक्षिप्त में स्पेसिफिक कि व्हाट इज दिस आउटबाउंड हायरिंग एंड हाउ इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट वी करंटली डू एज रिक्रूटर्स? ओके बॉस, सो हियर वी गो. फर्स्ट थिंग, building an opportunity profile. Now this is different from building job description which conveys very one-sided view of the world. First thing in the opportunity profile, what is the impact that this person would make onto the profile, onto the project, onto the company, and how he or she will become part of their larger vision and mission. What are the challenges that this person would talk about? Secondly, success factors. How would you measure success of this candidate? What are the key KPIs? What are the requirements for he or she to become successful? And thirdly is what type of people who will be successful. So again, in the current company, unke profile kya hai? What are the backgrounds that they have come from? What about industry? What kind of people your competition is hiring for similar roles? What are their backgrounds? So in all, looking at beyond just what hiring managers and recruiters need, but really a 360-degree view of what role demands, what kind of characteristics, soft skills, hard skills, and more importantly, what this person will do or bring an opportunity to the company. Okay, number 2, building a talent map. Where are your talent? What kind of skills, technologies are we talking about? Are they emerging? Are they hot? Are they vanilla? Where are these candidates hang out? What kind of technology resources, sites, blogs, where they are? What kind of things that attract them? What are they discussing about? What are they passionate about? Again, in terms of analytics and data, what kind of cities, what kind of areas that they are more about. And next, where this technology space is going? What are the new things that are coming on, and where and who are all talking about this? भाई जितना मैं रिक्रूटमेंट जानता हूँ, at the end of it, recruiters need to find right candidates who can join the company. ये सब झमेला काहे को चाहिए यार? Okay, learning number 3. In today's market, you don't want to just do a transactional recruitment. Today's recruitment, like marketing, like anything else, is very, very engagement based. So good recruiters who have a solid understanding of market and technology literally earn more respect in the market, and that's why recruiters need to really understand all of this. यार तू तो मार्केटिंग जैसे बात कर रहा है. But anyways, all said and done, how do you actually make this work? Okay, learning number 4, persona based targeting. Think about what kind of persona your target candidate will have, where they would come from, what kind of technical or educational background that they will have, their age demographics, even they would have what kind of subjects or areas that they are passionate about, where do they hang out, what they take interest from, what kind of platforms social media sites where they are more active from. Again, you can just talk to your existing employees who are in current these roles to find out more about this. It doesn't really require I would say rocket science. Learning number 5, content marketing. I think a lot of recruiters have this notion कि marketing तो marketeers का काम है, but in today's world every recruiter is a marketer. So now that you understand the persona or किस type का candidate है, think about what kind of content you want to show them. Again, your idea is not just to send them an email or an email to get the response, but to get their attention. Again, think about what kind of blogs that they want to look at, and can you put those blogs in front of them. Think about even simple things like what kind of email communication that you want to have based on what is mentioned or what is their profile, where do they hang out. Oh wow, Sarang, ये सब सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but as you know, recruiters and the management is all about data. So how would you prove कि ये सब actually काम कर रहा है या actually gimmick है? Okay, very good question. Obviously, recruiters and hiring team, HR teams are obsessed with data, and data is new oil, right? Well, maybe not in the correct context. But yeah, exactly. So you need to think beyond cost of hire and time to hire, and that's where metrics like what is your funnel efficiency, where is drop off happening in the funnel, what kind of experience new hires are having, what about the NPS surveys that you are doing with your employees and their experiences, also with your stakeholders, how are they experiencing all this process, right? Again, learning number 7, one of the biggest differentiators in this approach versus normal is your partnership with your hiring manager and business. They will play an enormous important role for you to build your talent map, the outreach strategy, the content marketing, because they know the business well. So again, align the objectives with them, get as many inputs as you can. What is the impact that they are trying to make from their business outcome, and how can you align your recruitment objectives with them? अरे वाह, ये बुक तो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. So आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और possibly क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा? What's your review of the book? Well, I really like the book. I think there are very few books in the market which are specially created for recruiters, and I think this is a fantastic effort by Adil and team and Belong to really bring that outbound hiring as a concept, as a new age concept, along with candidate experience, talent brand, and how all of that comes together in the recruitment strategy. And they really challenged the way traditional recruitment works. I'm sure this will open up a lot of gates on flood of thoughts for recruitment managers and recruiters. Also, the book, they have a lot of good examples. There's some good templates that's inside the inside the book. Again, a lot of good quotes from business leaders, recruitment heads about what do they think. So obviously, all of this is aligned with the way industry thinks and not just an isolated view. Also, there are a lot of good graphics. It's not a very like a novel kind of a book. I finished this in one day, possibly in 2 to 3 hours. I'm sure all of you can spend that kind of time. The only thing that I would say is, by the nature of the book and the concept, this looks little more aligned with the tech hiring than maybe other kinds of hiring. But again, a similar concept can be used there. Wonderful, amazing efforts. I would really encourage Adil and team to continue writing, maybe do part 2 of the book. And I would wholeheartedly recommend the book. I'm going to put a link of Amazon link just below this video. Please go and buy this. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. And again, thank you so much to Adil and all of the team who created the book. That's an opportunity to look into it and learn. Again, I personally learned a lot. So again, thank you so much. And Budbak, I'm sure all of your questions are done. और अभी भी कोई और कुछ बचा है? नहीं अभी मैं ये बुक जरूर पढ़ूंगा. फेसबुक के बाद सिर्फ यही बुक पढ़ूंगा मैं. दिस लुक्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और सब लोग, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हो और ये बुड़बक भी अच्छा लगा हो, तो लाइक ठोक दो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. है ना सर? Ha Burbak, that goes without saying. So again, thank you so much all of you for watching the video. I'll share this with your friends, colleagues, and hopefully that will help you to learn something into this period. So thank you so much and cheers.